How good do the tube connectors look? It's amazing what you can produce yourself, opposed to spending loads of money on connectors. And that's why my channel is aimed at saving people money on building cables, making stuff. But I'm just over the moon with the way these have come out. They're all glued in, they're all soldered up, they're all painted, and they look like they've been purchased. And that is what I always aim to produce, something that looks professional. And I hope you like them. We can all do the same. We just need to put our brains in gear and start working on different products that we feel that we can produce ourselves.